I think when we were looking, we could see that the quality was a higher quality than other homes that we were looking at. And honestly, just when we started, the ease and how great everybody was just made it seem like it was the place we wanted to be. So my name is Kathy Richardson, and we recently moved into Cedar Lane in Norman.
I'm Bruce Richardson.
I think my favorite part was just how easy everything was. Our salesperson was great about keeping us updated with everything, even sending pictures, I think almost weekly. We chose the Hazel 5-bedroom. We fell in love with the plan, loved that it had room for everybody in our family, and then the upstairs with the bonus room and the extra bedroom was perfect.
I found that the home buying process was the easiest that we've ever had. This is our 4th house that we've been in, and by far it was the easiest.
I love the big, large patio doors at our new home. They make the living room seem so bright and airy. Our little puppy dog loves them too. We just got our first electric bill, and we had no idea when they said it was efficient. We have efficiency in our home. Our bill was lower than what it was in our previous home, and our house is a lot larger now, so we were super excited about that. Absolutely would recommend Homes by Tabor. Everything about the buying process has been so great. Our salesperson has been great. The person who showed us everything, everybody really, truly seemed to care and want the experience to be the best. And I just want all that for my friends and family too.